have some really happy memories of the first time I arrived at Westdean College. I remember hopping off the bus, crossed the road and saw the most beautiful entrance gates to Westdean College. What I didn't realise at that point was that this was a turning point in my life. I'm Kirsten Ramsay. I'm a ceramics conservator. I'm probably best known for the work that I do on the BBC programme The Repair Shop these days. I'm working on a whole variety of objects, but I'm still using those tools that I learnt at Westdean College. I can see obviously there's an area of loss here. Apart from that, have you got all the pieces or?
There's one other small area of loss that won't become apparent until I've...
From my first day at Westdean, I was absolutely blown away. I came up to this studio that we're in now, and looking around, there was pigments, there was objects, there was so much going on that inspired me, and I just thought I really, really want to do this. From that point onwards, I have never looked back. You've got so many facilities here in one place that really give you a very broad education. The teaching was absolutely first class. We were just taken on this incredible learning journey. The college is set in beautiful grounds. It's a historic building and it's a very unique environment to learn in. Conservation is an amazing career. I've been in it for almost 30 years and I still love what I do. I find something interesting almost every day. If you are creative, I think if you are good working with your hands, you've enjoyed painting, drawing, modelling, I would really encourage anyone, if they've even got the slightest spark of interest, to just dig a little bit deeper and see if it's something that might interest you.